Hello, welcome to RIDE.WEEKENDS. So in this video, we are going to do mileage test for Activa 125 2025 model. So this is the latest one, which is compatible with E20. So we'll see what's the mileage I'm getting from Whitefield to Koramangala and Koramangala to Whitefield. Okay, we are done with filling fuel. So now it is showing 207 kilometers. Let me reset the trip A. So done with trip meter A. This is odometer, and this is the real time mileage indicator, and this is the trip A. This is the trip A consumption, and the trip A average consumption, and trip B consumption and average speed, and comes to odometer, and this is the fuel to empty. If you want to change to the bar, you can change to right side. So this is the navigation button, and if you go to fuel, it will show the indicator. If you don't want to indicators, and if you want the range in the kilometers, so it will show here. Yeah, so this is a vehicle Activa 125 2025 edition, which is compatible with E20. You can see here the E20 sticker as well. E20. So this comes with this screen, and which is easy to navigate. So we have controller here. So to change the fuel bar to points, range kilometers, trip A, trip B, and a few settings. In the function, we have auto trip reset, echo meter, display, we have display type, simple and bar. So this is simple. And one more thing is bar, which you can see the RPM meter and other information. In general, you have date and time unit, restore to default, service related information, maintenance, system information, and you can see the consumption. The main thing, the consumption, it is good. So apart from this, we'll go to the starting. So this is the odometer, and this is the real time mileage indicator, and this is the trip A consumption and trip A average consumption. So for now it is showing 48. So it will show according to the average. Like if you are driving in a city in a bumper to bumper for half an hour, it will change according to that. Once you come to normal traffic, it will change. So we can't, based on this, we can't judge that this gives 48 kilometers per liter. So that's why I'm testing. So apart from that, you can easily calculate with this. So consumption of 1 liter, and you can see the trip A kilometers. You can see um, the mileage. But I just want to make sure it should be what's the actual mileage. So our today's destination is for 39 minutes from here. So one of the useful features in smart watches, so you can see the Google Maps, and instead of using phone, since I don't have any mobile holder in the for this scooty, so I'm using this smartwatch. So from here it's 39 minutes, so we'll go for the destination. If you see, the trip A consumption was 1 liter, so 1 liter has been consumed. So we'll see what is the kilometers we have came for. So here it's showing 52.1 kilometers. For 52 it consumed 1 liter. So but if you see the average, it is showing 51, but here you scored 52, so plus 1 on minus. So this is for the 1 liter so far. So we'll see at the last. And another update, so now it consumed 2 liters. So we'll see what's the kilometers we driven.
and it's 101.6. And we'll see the average it is showing 50.4. So far this is the update. We'll see at last how much we are getting. So we'll see the odometer or the consumption. So now we are around 101.6 kilometers, and I'll drive total 200 kilometers, and we'll leave the 26 kilometers for the just for safety, and we'll check what's the mileage we are getting. So we driven exactly 200 kilometers, and we are in the same fuel station. So we'll see the consumption for this 200 kilometers. It's 4.1 liter is the consumption, and if you see the fuel to empty, it is also came to blank. So that means it is in reserve. So when I see the fuel to empty is around 75 kilometers range, when the trip is around 175 kilometers. That means since we have almost 30 to 40 kilometers range, but I'm not taking any chance. So we'll fill the fuel and we'll check the mileage. Now we'll go and fill the fuel, and the average it is showing is 48.6, and we'll check the mileage, what's the actual we are getting and what it is displaying in the meter.
0 full tank.
Okay.
You want it?
Fine, autograph. So it came till the last. So we are done with filling fuel. It consumed 4.1 liter, and we'll see now it came again range to 200 kilometers, and we'll calculate the mileage. So 200 kilometers divided by 4.1, so we are getting around 49 change, and that's the mileage we are getting for Honda Activa 125 2025 version.